Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Thorn. How is the food fam out there doing today? I hope y'all is having a marvelous day. I know I am. Okay, let's get down to this. Y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see today. All right, so today, y'all, I went to Subway. We doing sub. We having a sub today, okay? So it's a chicken teriyaki. I have the Southwest on here, mayo, and the sweet onion. All on there with lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, onions. Oh, she did not put my pickle on here. Anyway, it's fine. I got some cucumber on there too. So, and I'm trying this Ruffles double crunch hot wings. Okay? Hot wings. We're going to see how these are today. And I'm having me a Canada Dry. Yes, y'all. We'll get into that. Tell me how you like now. Hey, yeah, I had to do some color. I found it today, y'all. Let's get down. Let's get in the food. Let's get in the food. What y'all out there eating on today? Let's do a thumbnail, y'all. Thumbnail. Oh, I'm so silly. Let's do another one. All right. Ooh, this thing's smelling good. Let's take a bite. Ooh, I'm losing stuff. And I did get extra meat on mine because you'll never get enough meat. Now, how's everybody's day though? I hope everybody having a marvelous day today. It's kind of cold outside. I know the weather. Take a bite, babies. Open wide. You want me to do the choo-choo train? Okay. Choo, 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 choo. Come on now. Open wide. Sandwich big. So after I got my Subway, y'all, I stopped in at the beauty supply store. Right. Because y'all know I've been looking for wigs. I've been looking for some affordable wigs. Not just any wig. I need affordable. Alright? So, yeah, y'all know I'm frugal by now. Who don't know? Better ask somebody. So, I stopped in there. Not to get a wig. I needed, what's that thing I needed?
Concealer.
A concealer. Y'all know I don't know nothing about makeup. Nothing. This I did today. Because I'm practicing.
She gonna know in a minute.
And I feel like I'm getting a little bit better. You know, over time. Y'all don't see the progression. Y'all see me every day. So, I stopped in there. I said, you know what? Let me go take a look at their wigs down there and see what's popping. So I goes down there.
She was chopping it up with the lady in there. Man, they was like, they said one day was best friends.
I swear, me and that lady up in there, boy. We got to talking. Child, she helped me snatch this thing with my hair. I started feeling myself. I'm like, Shasha, pull out that phone and take a picture. Y'all. But y'all wouldn't guess the price on it, though. Who can guess the price?
Comment down below.
Yeah.
And we'll tell you in the next video.
And I'll tell you exactly. Guess the price. I want y'all to guess it. Because it's going to blow y'all mind. But, ooh, I ain't found one. I found 3. Hello. I I didn't think I would look cute with this bang, but I put it on, child.
Okay, let me tell y'all a story. So we go in there, we looking at these other wigs, like these $50 wigs. And so she found the one she liked, but then the lady was like, here goes some. She was like, you should try it. The one she get on her head. She was like, she should try that one.
You the one that found the wig.
That's not the one I found. She suggested that one.
Ah.
The one I was going to pick out was the brown one that you have. Just so you can see the bang on you.
You sure did. And when I put that wig on, I'm like,
Which one?
Just the bang. When I put the black one on, I was like, oh no, this is cute.
Oh, I thought you were saying like that. I was like, what? I thought you liked it.
I do. What? I'm loving this wig. I'm like, okay.
She talking about something. I'm about to go out of here.
Right.
I'm like, no.
I'm like, okay. I'm gonna wear this thing outside. My daughter like, that's for the videos. No, that's not for outside. What's she playing? Cause I'm about,
Hey cousins.
I'm about to be rocking this wig and all the other ones outside. You feel me? Cause y'all, I love a little spice in my life.
Don't think I'm being mean, y'all, cause she just rough on hair. She just really is. She's not gentle.
I'm not. You know, I was never the really girly type. I was a tomboy, like.
Was that just growing up? Cause you're a girly girl in my eyes.
For real? That's now. I think I've changed. That's now.
Yeah, you might have changed. Cause I remember your pictures, like her back in the day pictures. Man,
I wore nothing but baggy clothes.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing but baggy clothes. Most of the time, I was in boy clothes, like no girl clothes.
It was just bad. She girlied up over the years.
Right. Like, I don't even know. Maybe that's why that time that lady thought. Y'all, one time we was on the lakefront. Walking. And, I mean, this lady, she, it's some apartment buildings, like, right on the lakefront, right off the lakefront. And we was walking. And they dad was behind me and stuff. You know, we was just out walking, enjoying the evening, the scenery. You know what I'm saying? And this woman, she seen me, y'all. She like, hello. Yeah, she tried to pick me up. I'm like, I'm not gay. I'm sorry, I'm not gay. She's like, it's okay. I mean, she was like, it's okay. You can come up here and we can just sit down and talk. Whoop-de-woo-woo. I'm like, no. That's it. No, he was behind me. He was a ways behind me. Oh. Yeah, he was a ways behind me. So I'm like, nah. I'm like, my dude is like right there. He, you know. Oh, excuse me, y'all. She did not care. Like, she was like, come on up here. I'm like, nah, sweetheart. But I guess because I was wearing all these big old baggy old clothes. I was like, I was taking all the time. Yeah, people, yeah, like, and I'm like, nah,
Man. And she used to love this one big, it was a Sean John. It was a yellow, just like a regular jacket, but she wore all of them. I was like, you know, guys, back in the 2000s, it was just like really colorful, and she just, yeah. And she had her hair in this big old ponytail, easily mistaken. Right. No makeup, no nothing.
No makeup, just outside, or like whatever. Didn't get my hair, and I didn't do none of that. I mean, sure.
She just feel like she had to.
I go. Listen, I remember one time I went to get my hair braided. I went to the African shop. Boy, I got them cornrow things. They did my hair so daggone tight. Y'all, I came home and took each and every one of them things out of my head. They daddy looked at me like, I ain't never seen a woman like you. I said, look here, I don't do nothing hurting my head. Nothing. If it's too tight, take it out. I mean, you know how they just, cause it was like,
yeah, some of
probably
them
1, 2, 3. It wasn't even a lot because they cornrows straight to the back, cornrow hair added.
Y'all heard that? That's back in the 2000s. So she got cornrows wearing these big baggy clothes.
Daggone right.
It's just over with. Not the cornrows you see today.
Nah.
Like those cornrows are pretty compared to the ones back.
Nah. Don't be trying.
Shade.
Right.
Shading.
Nah, but I was just like, nope. I took them right out my head. When I went to the shop, get my hair done, I come home, I lay on it, I sleep. I'm like, he look at me like, what? Females be out here trying to hang their head off the bed? No. Cause I had a friend, she used to wear these, like, y'all watch Holly Berry in Bats, right? She used to wear them kind of hairstyles.
I'm gonna try to
I'm not.
Pictures.
Listen, I'm not fooling. I'm not playing. My food getting really cold because I'm really enjoying this guy. And I'm like, girl, how you sleep with that? She like, girl, I be hanging my head off the bed. I said, oh no, boo. Oh no.
So you tell me like her physical body is like and her head is literally hanging off the bed.
Off the bed.
She demonstrated that for you?
She said she do like that. Shoot, I'm like, I can't do that. I gotta be comfortable. So, Oh no. That's why I like wigs, cause I can snatch them off. You know what I'm saying? When it get too hot or something. Excuse me. Y'all know I be hollering I'm hot.
If you were in that,
and it ain't even summer. It ain't even the summertime yet. Shoot, and I'm hot. So imagine when the summertime come, y'all gonna say, "Oh my word, this is a mess," cause I'm gonna be snatching it.
It's okay. It's an AC right here, so it's fine, guys. Do not worry about her cooler. She got a fan and she has an AC. Like the AC is legit, like right in front of her. So she's gonna be perfect.
Yeah.
Nothing but overheat.
But I'm telling you, it's hard. No, this food tastes good.
Good conversation, good food.
You see, I ain't even eating. I'm like talking. Yo.
Yeah, but y'all guessed that price in the
Yeah, y'all guessed the price down there.
It's gonna be fun to see.
I know, right? See how many people get it right. So what is the foodie fam up to? What y'all eating on? I think I asked that already. Yeah. You know what though? I'm gonna be honest. Taste. You want to taste these? Taste it. I'm not really caring for this chip right now. Maybe I need to. Hi, Cara. She just came out her room. She in her room.
Well, that was a good crunch.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's like,
I think because they were really trying to imitate hot wings, and I like a hot chip. Yeah, that's like hot wings, just with potato.
maybe because I have all these flavors busting in my mouth. I'm not really. Hold on.
Y'all, she has my favorite Subway sandwich right now. I love sweet onion chicken teriyaki. Bomb. And she got double meat.
I had to eat something different. And normally when I go to Subway or all them places, y'all know I eat tuna with lots of pepper. Excuse me. Hold on. Let me try these again.
Have a really good crunch to them though.
Yeah. And I love Ruffles. I do.
Maybe you would like the other chip.
Which one?
The one that was the cheddar, but it had that. Those are really. That's a.
You know what?
They're not bad though.
No, it's not. It's like I was eating it with the sandwich.
Not every flavor can be made.
Not every flavor, but this would be good with some.
I don't know how you do it.
What?
Like I'm OCD. I gotta eat one thing at a time. You just eat the sandwich and you. No, I don't like all those flavors.
Take that back, Foodie Fam. The chips are actually good. It's just I had too many flavors in my mouth at one time. This ain't the chip for that. Because this got a lot of different elements.
Don't even come for it. It's good.
I never said it wasn't. I would say it's got a lot of
Yeah, it do got a lot of flavors.
Right, because I got the chipotle, teriyaki, and all that. So,
So you're gonna put pickles and cucumbers on the sandwich?
Why not? What's wrong with that?
Nothing.
What's wrong with pickles and all that? And they didn't have no spinach, because I would have put some spinach on here too.
I don't know. It's just because it's like the same thing, just one is pickled. And the other one is like in its original form.
Right. So one is salt and one is not. One is salt and vinegar.
Pass me the chips.
Yeah. They good, Tyler. Don't finish my chips now.
Okay.
Because I like to be in my bed and sometimes I snack on a chip or two. I think I'm going to save this other half though for later. Because it's big. What? She laughing like, I draw the line. I draw the line. She over there talking about, nah, that's for me. No.
And she gonna end up giving it to me. She be talking all that mad. She be like, you can have it. She'll say that probably like an hour or two later. I'm like, so why you just didn't give it to me then and there? Because I didn't want to. You asked for it.
Shoshana would be, she'll just get done eating. And I'm sitting down eating my food. And trust me, my child gonna finish her food, and then once I'm done, and if I got some on my plate, she coming to sit down and finish my food. Yeah, Shoshana.
It's okay. I get my workout in at work. I work at Amazon, so.
Yeah, she works at Amazon. Yeah.
You already know. It's work.
So she be moving.
Right. Now, hustling.
And she eat like she be moving too.
Yeah, people trying to fuck me. Right?
Foodie Fam. My friend. I was about to scream.
She didn't mess herself up. Everybody ran on applause.
I know, I ain't done yet though. Don't clap yet. Right. When you try to mix the two flavors, don't work. But if you eat it by itself, it works. Let me stop that. All right, y'all. Let's take. Oh, I got one more bite. Let me finish this half. That's for you. And you. Oh. Thanks to all my Instagram supporters who came over and supported my YouTube channel. I thank you all so much. Thanks to all the welcome to the family, to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the Foodie Fam, y'all. And my A1 day ones. No, I love y'all. Yes. Ooh. Mercy. Ooh. Y'all, that is it from us today. Have a beautiful evening. Love you, Foodie fans. Bye. Ooh. Mercy. Ooh. Y'all, that is it from us today. Have a beautiful evening. Love you, Foodie fans. Bye.